So I'm out here in the garden trying to check on these plants that we just put in the ground about a week ago, and I think I killed them. I don't know if it was between me not watering them or my husband. I forgot to tell him to water them one day that I had a 16-hour shift and I couldn't get home and it was too late and I was too tired, and I'm like, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow. Well, they were dead. And so I don't know if it was between that or this 80-degree weather that we're having right now, which is gorgeous. I love it. But all of that together killed all the transplants that I put out. And the Larkspur were pretty good looking transplants, but the Sweet William were leggy and they weren't really holding up at all. So I didn't really even expect them to work out, but you know, it's okay. It's fine. There's a couple of them that are just barely hanging on, but you know, I think it's all a wash. So today we're gonna go out, we're gonna add some seeds directly into the ground, and then I'm going to cover them with some fresh compost and then just say a prayer that they work. And if it doesn't work, it's fine. I really wanted it to work and I wanted that gorgeous backdrop in the flower bed, but it's gonna be fine. If it doesn't work out, I'll find something else to put in there as well. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So the plants that I want to try to grow, again, you know, this is round 2 of this project. I want to try to do the Larkspur. So this is the rest of the seed packet. I did winter sow some of these. I have these in the winter sowing project as well. And then I had 2 packages from Johnny's. One is a white and one is a carmine. So those 2 are the Larkspur from Johnny's. The other 2 are just the mixes that I had. I think these were actually given to me, or I bought them at the local hardware store, I don't know. But that's the 4 varieties of Larkspur that I'm trying to grow in that backdrop. And then the Sweet William, this is just a cheapo cent, like 20-cent packet that I got from the store on sale. And then this is from Baker Creek Seeds, and if I can grab it, here it is right here. And so that is the variety that I want to do. I want a backdrop of Larkspur, and then I want this in front of the Larkspur. I think that would be so gorgeous. The Larkspur is a little taller than the Dianthus, so I think it'll be great with the blue of the house. It'll be a great backdrop. So that is my goal. I'm praying that it works, but that is what we're growing today on round 2 of our project, and we'll see how it goes. Help it germinate. We're going to water it in with some water and say a prayer that they grow. I will keep you guys updated on how that turns out, if they grow and how they're doing. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.